Good morning, children. Namaste. Today I will take football or soccer dribbling skills. Okay, dribbling skills I will teach you. Last week you can teach some activities. This week dribbling skills continue for the controlling of ball and individual ball challenge skills. Okay, individual ball control challenge skills. I'll show you. Yes, one by one. Yes, this first one, see, needed for one ball, any football or any bouncy ball can need for the practice, and 10 to 15 feet, 10 to 15 or 10 feet you can practice for the ball. Yes, first one, rolling the ball, roll side to side, rolling the ball side to side. Okay, I will show you. Yes, slowly. Yes, first on the spot only, rolling the ball. Yes, I will start roll. Yes, right leg and left leg, right leg, controlling the ball. This is the controlling skills. Yes, rolling the ball side to side. Yes, then after the controlling the ball, yes, then moving and juggling the ball. Okay, yes, see, faster than controlling the ball. Control on you can fast juggling the ball with juggling leg and rolling the ball 10 times, how much possible. Yes, very good. Go on, keep on going on. Yes, 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 yes. Then stop this rolling, dribbling side to side. Okay, this one is next one. Yes, tap, toe tapping. Okay, next skill is toe tapping for your sole. Tap, your toe is the toe inside the sole, you can touch the tap. Okay, yes, slowly I will show. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, continue faster. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Fast. Okay, if you control the ball, then faster. Okay, next, third skill, step over. This is also fundamental, controlling the ball. Yes, step over. First, your step over, right leg should be crossed, left leg should be crossed, right over. Okay, this is the skills. Step over without touching the ball, step over. Yes, controlling the ball. Okay, ready? Yes, faster, juggling, all the drills should be juggling only. Yes, continue like this. Yes, yeah, without touching the ball, 10 times, 20 times you can step over without touching the ball. Yes, you can practice on. Oh, yes, this is the third skill, and fourth skill is drive back ball, controlling the ball. Okay, drive back like this. Okay, the ball touch on the full leg, drive back slowly or near by the on the spot, ball rolling like this, drive back. Stretch the ball forward and drive back. Yes, should be careful. Yes, control the body and balance your body and rolling the ball forward and backward. Yes, like this, forward and backward. Drive back. Yes, drive back, rolling the ball. Yes, left leg and right leg. Next, switch the right leg, drive back. Yes, with your sole should be rolling the ball for near body and stretch. Yes, balance the body, balance your body. Yes, fast, then controlling the ball means fast. Yes, drive back, challenge. Yes, this is the fourth one, drive back, foot, and fifth one, side to side tap. Okay, side to side tap. This is very important. Side to side tap. If you side inside foot and right leg and left side inside the between the leg only side tapping. Slowly see. Yes, like this. Side tapping. Yes, yes, yes. Side tapping. First you control the ball. Then we'll start the drills. Okay. Yes. With juggling the ball. Yes. Control. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 times or more than we can practice. Yours. Fifth one, side tapping inside the leg. Okay. Only toe part should be touch the ball. Side tapping. Both the leg, side tapping, sideways with juggling. This is the 5 skills and 6 skills. Tapping for the ball, side to side, one leg. So moving small touches. After the practice, this one leg, inside and outside, Yes, stop. Then cross, turn, and left leg. Yes, left leg. Yes, start. Yes. Inside, outside, small touches inside and outside. First you control the ball. Inside and outside, See, inside, outside, Yes, outside. Yes. The rest of the ball should be juggling. Yes, inside, left leg, inside, outside, small touches, inside, outside. Then one leg tapping for the inside, outside. Then other right leg or left leg should be juggling. This is the 6 drills controlling the ball. Next one, ball controlling the challenge. Okay, next skill, go to the ball controlling the challenge. First one, hold the ball. Yes, on the spot, hold the ball, throw and spin and kick the ball. Okay, ball throw, spin and kick the ball and catch the ball. Okay, slow, kick and catch the ball. Okay, this is the skill and challenge, and carefully children. Yes, toss the ball, kick and catch the ball. Yes, this is the skill. Toss, roll and collect it. Okay, toss, roll and kick the ball. Toss, roll and collect it. So be careful for the kicking practice. Toss, roll and kick and catch. This is the first ball. You are challenging the skill ball balancing, kick. Okay, balance and kick. Second one, ball bounce and kick. Yes, ball bounce and kick. Bounce the ball and kick. If you kick here, lace part only touch your ball. Okay, lace part. This is the lace part. Kick. You can inside, toss the ball and kick and catch. Okay, toss the ball. Yes, kick and catch. Toss the ball and kick and catch. This is the second challenge. Yes. Next, third one. If you control the ball, next third one. Yes. Catch. Yes. Dribble and kick. 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 Yes. Dribble and kick. Dribble and kick. Dribble and kick. Dribble and kick. Continue. Okay. Both the leg. Dribble and kick. Dribble and kick. Right leg and left leg. Okay. This is the second challenge. Third one, trap and roll. Okay. This is the trap and roll. Ball should be inside the knee. Trap and trap the ball for the only toe. Yes, trap like this and turn and stop. Okay, trap the ball and roll and stop. Control the ball. Controlling challenge inside the knee. Trap slowly and turn and control. Okay, see, yes. Turn and control the ball. This is the third skill. See, yes. Immediately you can control the ball. Yes. You can practice slowly and practice and careful, children. Yes. Immediately stop. This is the controlling the ball. Trap and roll practice. This next one, bounce, kick, bounce. Continuous bounce and kick, bounce and kick. Okay. Okay, ready? Bounce, kick, catch. Bounce, kick and catch. Right, right. Bounce, kick, catch. Bounce, kick, catch. Bounce, kick, catch. Bounce, kick, catch. This is the one more skill. Bounce, kick and catch. Active is careful, bounce and kick at a time, catch. This is the one more drills. Challenging. As next one more, knee catch. Okay, knee drop the ball, knee catch the ball. Okay, control. Yes, catch, catch. See, if you miss, if your challenge is missing, yes, catch, drop the ball. Yes, catch the ball. Yes, yeah, controlling the ball. Both the leg, no problem. Yes. Left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg. Your touch for the ball should be touch the knee. Okay, lift your knees and touch the ball and catch the ball. Okay, that is the challenge of this dribbling controlling ball. Okay, this is the knee catching. Next, knee catch. Okay, next one skill, knee bounce and kick. Okay, next skill, knee bounce, kick. Okay, knee bounce, kick and catch. Okay, knee bounce, kick and catch. Knee bounce, kick and catch. Okay, at a time. Yes, knee bounce and kick and catch. This is the one more challenge. Yes. Next, last challenge, head touch. Your forehead should be touched, not above the head, if not here. With forehead for the touch. See, ball, toss the ball. Yes, catch. Yes, catch. Catch. Forehead. Forehead should be careful, children. If you toss properly and touch for the forehead only, not a head. If you touch the head, for headache will come in. That's why only forehead practice, slowly practice. Okay, yes, slow, yes, slow, forehead, yes, forehead. This is the activities for yours. Soccer, dribbling, controlling activities for 4, 5, 6 skills and 6 challenging skills. This is all 6 challenge you can practice and carefully at home only. Yes, this is the football drills challenge. You watch your videos and practice for the children. Thank you. Next watching for the videos. Thank you, children. Bye bye.